Here is how to create this BTS swim music release poster in Canva. Open a Canva project page and add a heading, then type in your text. Change the font to Anton and increase the size of your text. Download this image as a PNG and delete this one. Now bring in your PNG image and your main image. Go to apps and search for image blender. Choose this one. Select your text as the bottom layer and your image as the top layer. Then add to design. Increase the size of your both images just like so. Go to elements and search for shapes. Choose this and change the color to purple. Then adjust the shape in between the two images. Go to effects and scroll down to see VHS. Choose the VHS, go to text and add a heading and type in BTS. Change the font to Anton and adjust the text. Then position it on top of the swim. Go to effect and choose hollow. Change the color to purple. Add another text box and type 2.0. Change the font to this. Go to element and search for water droplets. Choose this, remove the background and increase the size to cover the whole Canva. And that's the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share.